Good morning children. Today we are going to learn applications of area and rectangle which have learnt in previous classes. So here you can see there is a rectangular field whose length is 45 meter and breadth is 30 meter. You have to construct a path outside this rectangular field of 2.5 meter wide. So the path will be like this because the length is uniform all around and this width is 2.5 meters, so write 2.5 meter like this. It is 2.5 meter. Now you have to calculate the path of the you have to calculate the area of the path, that is the area of the shaded portion. So how can we calculate the area of this shaded portion? If we know the area of larger rectangle and the area of a smaller rectangle, then we can easily calculate the area of shaded portion. So you know the length and breadth of rectangle PQRS, but you don't know the length of rectangle ABCD. So first of all we will find the length and breadth of rectangle ABCD. So here you can see the width is 2.5, here also it is 2.5. So CD will become 45 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. When you will add, you will get 50 and the unit is meter, so write meter. Here the breadth you can see it is 2.5 meter wide, it is also 2.5 meter wide and the value of QS is 30 meter. So this BD or you can say this AC, both are equal, will become 30 meter plus 2.5 meter plus 2.5 meter. Now when you will add, you will get 35 meter. Now you know the length and breadth of rectangle ABCD and rectangle PQRS. So we will find out the area one by one and then we will subtract them to get the area of the shaded portion, that is the area of path. So now the area of path will be area of ABCD minus area of PQRS. So when you will subtract both of them, you will get 400 meter a square. Now there is another question. There is a square of side 400 meter. You have to construct a path of 5 meter width all around this square inside it. So it will look like this. And the path is of 5 meter width. So right here the path is of 5 meter width. So it can be written like this. Now you have to calculate the cost of cementing this path, this very portion. So first of all we will calculate the area of this shaded portion and then we will multiply it with the cost. So for this we have to find out the length and breadth both are equal in the square. So we have to find out the side of the inside portion, because you know the side for outside square, that is ABCD. Name it as PQRS. So the length of PQ will be, this is 5, this is also 5. So 100 minus 100 meter minus 5 meter minus 5 meter, you will get 90 meter. So the length of PQ is 90 meter. So now we will find out the area of path. So now the area of path will be area of ABCD minus area of PQRS. It would come out to be 1900 meter square. So the area of path is 1900 meter square. Now we have to cement this area. So how can we solve this? So in the question you have been given that the cost of cementing 10 meter square is Rs 250. So first of all we will find out the cost of cementing 1 meter square. It will come out to be 250 and this 10 will be divided. So cost of cementing 1 meter square is Rs 25 and we have to find out the cost of cementing 1900 meter square. So cost will be 1900 into Rs 25. It will come out to be 14,500 rupees. So the cost of cementing the path is 14,500 rupees.